Hello, Super Writers. Our target skill for today is I can write opinion pieces using examples. We know that an opinion writing piece is built like an Oreo. You state your opinion first in your topic sentence, then you stuff your detailed sentences full of reasons and evidence. Finally, you state your opinion again in your closing sentence. Today, we are going to focus on these detail sentences, the reasons and evidence for your opinion. Here, I have a few sentences that make up an opinion piece. I like lizards. They are cool pets. They are my favorite. Lizards are the best pets. Is this a strong opinion writing piece or a weak opinion writing piece? This is a weak piece. All I gave you were my opinions. My reasons and examples are not very strong because they are not facts. We can support our opinions with facts or true statements. So this is what my opinion writing piece looks like right now. I gave my opinion and I gave reasons without any examples. Will you help me correct my opinion writing piece? Instead of saying, I like lizards, I can make that topic sentence stronger by saying something like, I think that lizards make great pets. My first reason, they are cool pets, can be changed to, there are many kinds. Some examples are geckos, bearded dragons, and skinks. These are examples of the different kinds. I think that lizards make great pets because there are many kinds. And here are some examples. My next reason, they are my favorite. Is this a strong reason? Let's support our opinion with a fact. They are small. Is that a fact about lizards? Yes, they are an example of how small they are is they are easy to carry around and bring to school. In my opinion, that's a reason that lizards make great pets. Let's restate our opinion with a strong closing sentence. A lizard is a great choice for your next pet. So now that we've made these changes to make our sentences stronger, let's read our opinion piece again. This time I've included a title, Pet Lizards. I think that lizards are great pets. Lizards make great pets because you can choose the one that is just right for you. There are many different kinds, such as a gecko, bearded dragon, and a skink. Lizards are also easy to carry around. They are usually small and can sit on your shoulder if you want to bring it to school for show and tell. A lizard is a great choice for your next pet. All right, boys and girls, now it is your turn to do an opinion writing activity. Take a look at the facts written down. Does it support the opinion, I think a dog is a good pet? Or does it support the opinion, I do not think a dog is a good pet? Put it into the pocket for the opinion that it supports. Have fun, Super Writers, and I'll see you next time.